Cooking for Gamers with Chef Nathan, smile, and him being cool.
Wugwan, my dark knights, my dames, my chefs, my chefettes, everybody out there who likes to bake, who likes to cook. How you doing today? It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. I decided to make a quick video as tomorrow is going to be a lot of baking, or a lot of cooking from the turkey and everything. And I wanted to make a specific dessert. So I decided to make it tonight. And if you follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, you'll see it there. But I just want to make a quick video for you guys. It's real quick, something easy to make if you really want to make it. But we have the mini cheesecake tarts. So I got the graham cracker crust part together. Got to put that in the oven. See, like the ball stuff, and got to get that in the oven. That's going to take about maybe 10-15 minutes to bake. So going to do that, then mix up the cream cheese filling. Really and truly, I just need to bake these because the cream cheese doesn't really need to be baked because we want that to stay nice, fluffy, and get the good taste to it, So we're going to get back to this. Hope you guys enjoy baking, cooking, eating, Christmas, good stuff. But your Dark Knight will be back. Drop a like for the good stuff, for the delicious stuff. Nom 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 nom. Boy, if you don't. But yeah, anyway, check you guys in a few. Bear back. Mwah. So they are done, and we have them out. Now the second batch, I put a little bit of too much butter in it because it fluffed. It really fluffed. Like I'll show you the difference between the two. But they just need to harden and take it out, and I still need to get the cream cheese mix done. So I'll show you the cream cheese mix. That's not even mixed. So you see the sugar, the 2 pieces of cream cheese, and then for the fillings here. So these ones on this side, you can see the ones on this side, these 12 there, 12 here. Those ones I put a lot of butter in, so you can see how over fluffed they are. But then these ones back here, those ones that were the first ones I did, pretty much proper amount of butter. So you see, just need to push out the middle so the cheesecake and whatever else we plan to put on top can go on top, and then go from there. Don't mind the noodles on the stove. But anyway, so with that, it's a real quick dessert, really quick. Cream cheese, graham crackers, butter, sugar, some vanilla extract, but it's really quick. You just have to bake the graham cracker crust so they harden. Good stuff to just easy. Just drop it in, So be back with everything all together, how it looks. You'll see the good stuff. Hope you guys enjoy. Love y'all, and check you in a few. Okay, be back. As I said, real quick video. It's quick baking. Not much baking because we didn't use any egg with the cream cheese, so we don't need to bake that to cook out the egg. And when it comes to the graham cracker crust, just butter. So quick stuff and quick video. Hope you guys enjoy this Christmas special, and look at this good thing. Don't mind the 3 in front, like the 3 right there, because those are spoon and knife, but the rest I makeshift piping bag. So that would have been just a sandwich bag. They are quite thick, as you see, so they had to be filled up pretty good, like to the top. Thick cream cheese, looking good, yeah. But yeah, real quick video tonight. I just need to get the baking done. I'm probably gonna need to make some more. That's only 24, but we're not really having much of a dinner party. It's just family. So with that should be good. If I need to make more, it's real quick, and you guys can do it all. So sugar, butter, graham crackers. You can use the one in the package already, or just crush it up yourself as I did. I would have had you guys sit and watch me do all this, but it literally took like 30 minutes just to form the stuff properly. Really, and then to do all the other stuff. So it's just a quick video showing you guys all the stuff. If you guys want to sit through with me while I do the stuff, Comment in the video. Let me know. Hashtag JDK fun for the fun stuff. And hope you all enjoy and have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hope all you guys get what you want for Christmas, all your gifts, maybe a new console or whatever, or like, I don't know what y'all want, like money or whatever it is, but hope y'all got it. Love y'all. Your Dark Knight is out of here. Peace out.
We niggas don't. That's why you see us on the hustle with the nanoscopes. Leave the scopes. That's what a ratchet do. Now he choking on a barrel like his grandma's food. Like his grandma's food. Had a homeboy choking on a barrel like his grandma's food.